Hello guys, and welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to generate comprehensive product frequently asked questions for your online store using ChatGPT. Well-crafted FAQs can improve customer experience, reduce support requests, and boost sales. Let's get started. Product FAQs are essential because they provide quick answers to common questions buyers may have. This builds trust and helps shoppers make informed decisions. With ChatGPT, you can easily create detailed and relevant FAQs tailored to your products and audience. Start by opening ChatGPT and logging into your account, and in the chat box, type a prompt like "Generate a list of frequently asked questions and answers for an online store selling wireless headphones." Be specific about your product type, features, and any concerns your customer may often raise. ChatGPT will produce a thorough, frequently asked questions sections covering topics like product specifications, compatibility, warranty, shipping policies, and return procedures. You can further customize these responses to match your brand's tone and policies. Including clear, helpful FAQs on your product pages not only enhances customer satisfaction but also saves you or support team time by addressing repetitive questions upfront. By using ChatGPT to create these FAQs, you ensure your content is accurate, professional, and tailored to your customers' needs, helping to increase trust and conversions. And that's that, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.